Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2013 International Durastar. It's got 176,000 miles on it. It's got a 9,000 pound Stellar crane, a Van Air hydraulic air compressor. It's got a American Eagle toolbox on the other side, hydraulic outriggers. Nice truck. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Caterpillar. It's one of their service trucks. .22.5-inch wheels on it. This truck is an air brake truck, but it's $25,999 GVWR, so it's under CDL. Bolt bends and whatever you want to put in them there. Tires are in decent shape. They got a couple of spots like this right here. Enclosed in the back, which of course that slides up. Step here, slides all the way out into a ramp, I guess. Actually, looks like these tires on this side are in better shape than the ones on the other side. $176,976 on the miles. AC and heat work as they should. Radio works. I was listening to it.
And all the it's a long road.
Alright, see if we can get everything going here. control, so the faster you pull it, the quicker it moves. Around, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up. There's your air compressor. See it building there? Mark it off the crane remote. Switch here, kills the engine, start it back up. Compressor switch. So crane, compressor. Lock all these boxes up. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Probably going to be about $3 a mile on this truck, maybe a little bit more, depends on where you're located at. I think that's about what we paid to have it shipped in, so probably about what you're going to be looking at. Or if you want to come here and drive it home, you're welcome to do that. It's a big truck. If you decide to do that, we're here Monday through Thursday, 7 to 4, Friday, 7 to 3:30. We're not open on the weekends at all. Please don't ask for us to meet on the weekends. We don't do it. If you come, you got to bring a cashier's check or do a wire transfer. That's our only payment method we accept. No personal checks, no checks on your business name. Has to be certified funds. I guess that's about it. I said 2013 International, 176,000 miles. 9,000 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor. Showed you everything working on it. Nice truck inside, clean. Bed's very nice, cab's nice, everything on the truck's nice and works like it should. So give me a call. I guess that's about it on this one. Thanks for watching.